Over the recent months and the last few years, a lot of us have heard about mental health, about how it's so important and why it's relevant to our overall well being. But what is mental health really? Have you found yourself asking that question and want to know deeper? Well, let us help you visualize it and hope that it helps you in the future. Like physical health, mental health is not an on off switch. The medical community looks at it more like a range. You can visualize it like a volume knob or kind of like a pendulum of a clock that swings from left to right. Just like a clock with a pendulum, our mental health is constantly swinging. This depends on our circumstances, our environment, and overall well being. When we look at the mental health pendulum, you will observe that it has various positions. Each and every one of us navigates those positions on a regular basis. The primary goal of mental health maintenance is to try to keep our mental health within the green zone. It does not mean that we will not be sad or that we will always be happy. Being happy and sad are very relevant parts of healthy mental well being. The orange and red zones are indicative of mental illness and mental disorders. Just like it is impossible for us to predict or prevent physical illness in advance, going to the orange and red zones of mental health are also not entirely in our control. However, another goal of mental health maintenance is to try and instill daily practices that will help us manage and cope with mental health problems. And if we do need professional and medical help, to be able to recognize, acknowledge, and reach out for the right help without shame. Does this make sense to you? Does it help you visualize your personal mental health from a lens of constant, ongoing change as you move through your everyday life? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and tell us more in the comment section below. Also, please go ahead and share this with someone who needs to learn more about mental health.